Hello, my name is Wilfer. Today we are doing a flood escape video. We are gonna be doing this on West Coast USA, and if you like this content, please do leave a like and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get right in. We're gonna start from over here on the island, from the watchtower or whatever it's called. And we are gonna have to get to either this or this mountain or hill, because the flood cannot reach to the hills. So yeah, we're gonna try to get there as fast as possible, but we're gonna do it with random cars. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right in. Let's just get a random car. Okay, a super light. And now the flood. And it has gone off. Okay. Gotta be quick. Move. It's not left. Oh god, it's right there. Okay. God, dang it. Oh, that was not a very good first run. Yes. The water is quite slow because this is my first time doing flood escape, so yeah. Next time we will do a little bit faster. Next video. Give it trying the car again. No, we are not getting anywhere with this, but I have to wait. This is the same bus that we almost got to the finish point on the last video. Okay, let's try. We are not gonna get far with this thing. Yeah, we're already dead basically. Yeah. We are done for. Yep, there goes the water. And there goes the energy. That easy to do. Okay. A region, of course. Like this would be any better. And start. Is it 3 wheels or 4 wheels? Oh god, there's 3 wheels. I hate the twin wheel glitching. So hard to drive. It's a funny little car, but it's like not practical at all. And we are already doomed. Let's quickly try and flip over. Up to it. Oh, I am gonna hate this challenge. Okay, it's hard. Why, game? Why? What have I done? What have I done wrong? Cannot see anything. Stop. Come on. Just go. What happened? Cannot see anything. Okay, we're good. Yeah, no chance there. Oh god, it's gonna be a long one. Ooh. Okay. Go. What is this? This one? I think this is this one. The ground. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on. Please. You got on off the island. Come on, go go. Why are you so slow? Uh-oh. 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 Highway. Highway, highway, highway. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going, doesn't matter which way. Just go up, 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 up. Please. Shifts. Oh god, go, 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 just keep going, doesn't matter. Oh, it pulls to the left like hell. I just gotta fight. Turn, oh. Just if you would have gotten here, then just turn down here and gone up to the parking lot, you would have been safe. But no, of course not. Okay, running config again. Come on. Come on, game. Wait, let me look this first. do not believe we are gonna make it. Yeah, there it is. Oh. Okay. Pessima. Okay, so outlook. Okay, let's go. Okay. We got this, we got this, we got this. Okay, that was a nice save. That was a nice save. Okay, come on, please. It's right there. Yikes. Just go fast, just go fast. That's all you gotta do, just drive fast. Don't click anyone. Here you go. Oh god. Come on. Can we have one good run, please? Seriously. What is a good route? Oh yeah. That? Wait, let me. And Christina. Just the route I have been trying to do. No, I'm not doing it. But okay, yeah, that's just if I go off here, then go here, then just right here. That's what I've been trying to do, but yeah. And what about over here? This one seems shorter. This one seems way shorter. Okay, random config again. Okay, oh, nice save. Faster now, please. Turn. Go, 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 go. Scares. I do not like this. This is way too close. Way too close for comfort. Way too close for comfort. We got this, we got this. We're not gonna die today, not today. Not today, buddy. I'm seeing, so back up. Come on, faster, faster, faster. This is some scary stuff, man. Oh no. Okay, I can't. I was gonna turn, but I thought it was too close, so yeah. Wait, I was just still running. Okay, yeah. Get close. set auto limit and random config once again. Okay. Let's go. Let's go fast. Doesn't matter. Why does there have to be a traffic jam? Why? Just why? Let's do this. 40, let's go to this. Go! God! Just go. Try! Faster! Just go. It does not turn. Go. Come on, no. We are living today. We are not gonna die. We can't die. It's not allowed. Go. Why move? I don't see it. Not yet, at least. Move your ass. We need a rush. Life and death. Just go off road. Right. Can we make it? Yes, we can. We can make it. Come on. Turn. Just go. It doesn't turn. It does not turn. Ow! Come on! Oh, why? Why was it so close? Okay, again. Show it. I'm coming. Okay, I think we got this. What's wrong with you? I'm just in the way. Whoa! That guy just is perfect in the way. Like, come on! This game wants me to suffer. Okay, this is a good start. Don't continue. Let's go off. Doesn't turn right. Just always hit, but just perfectly good. But I cannot work fast enough. Okay, on off. Ooh! It just broke my wheel. I hate the BeamNG.drive. This game just hates me. Purely hates me. Let's try it once again. to I6. Just drop the board, don't even worry about it. Is it too fast for me? Or is it just that I don't know, man. This is too depressing. What? How can they drive? Please, please, something. I hate this game. I hate this game. Whoa! Just spin it. Why don't you? Spin it. Why not? Can't get up any speed. Ah, why? What have I done to the service? Okay, yes. This is a good one. Shift gear. No, no. Wait, maybe? No. I'm dead. I am dead. Just such a pain. What is this? Word. Oh, yes. Please be good. can hear the thing spooling. Turbo spooling. Shift. Why are you in the middle of two lanes? What can we do? Game doesn't hit me anymore. Okay. We're gonna actually do this. Doesn't matter. Please don't let this come. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. We have done it. We have successfully done it. The plot is still there. And we have successfully the parallel vertex. What plot is this actually? Not telegraph, sorry. The vertex. Innocent customs. Good one. Donuts. I've done it. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.